Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev B. If you're new here, welcome Wagwan. Make sure to say and subscribe down below and become part of our family. So for today's video, I'm going to review this hair from UNice or UNice.com. And the hair that they sent me is this reddish brown hair in 28 inches. It is a 13x4 lace frontal and 150% density. Now, this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. And as you guys can see, the front is a little bit dense for my liking, so we're going to need to pluck that. So I'm just going to show you guys the method that I always use in plucking my lace frontal. So we need to get this to look a little bit more natural in the front. The knot's already bleached for you and it did come pre-plucked, but you know, we gotta make it look a little bit more natural. So we need that front to be a little bit more thin. So this is what I came up with. I didn't want to over pluck it because we don't want our wig to be balding, okay? Like, never that. So what I think I want to do with this wig, I want to do a side part. I want to give it a little bit of boom boom, you know what I'm saying? Because it is a kinky straight, the color is different, everything is different about this wig, and we want it to really stand out even more than just the color. So I go in with my handy dandy hot comb. Y'all know I always have to do my front flat. Like, I love that flat, effortless look. So I put a little bit of edge wax or hair wax, flyaway wax, and then I go in with a hot comb. And also I'm going to comb through the hair just to get it a little bit smooth. Now, I'm not going to super straighten this hair. I want it to have its natural texture since that is what we got it in. So I don't want to hide that. Now what I'm going to do is, since I'm a lazy girl, a lot of y'all are lazy girls just like me, and the ball cap method does take a lot of work, and I like to just put on my wigs and go. So I just put a little bit of makeup on the front that I think might show under the wig just to help disguise that. And a reminder, this is your reminder to cut off the lace at the back of your wig. I know a lot of people forget to do that. This is your reminder, yes, remove the lace. So I put a little bit of makeup on the lace frontal, and that is going to help to get it to match my complexion a lot better, especially when it's melted, so that it has that effortless look. We want it to almost look like it's coming from our scalp. You know what I'm saying? Like, we know it's a wig, but we still need it to look natural. Now, this is what a wig is looking like even before melting it down. So you definitely could wear this wig as a glueless wig if you're not a fan of putting too much spray and glue and this and that on top of it. Once you get that band in the back to be as tight as you need it to be, this wig definitely can be worn glueless. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do a light melting. It's nothing aggressive. Like, I tend to do light because I like to take off my wigs at night. Like, I like to sleep comfortable. I don't like to sleep in my wigs, and I've been doing this quite a long time to know how to reapply my wig. But if it is that you're not that great at doing the reapplying as quickly as I can, then you can go in with a stronger glue. But I must stick with the EBIN because it's just light. I need my edges to still be intact once I'm done wearing wigs. Like, yes, I need my edges. So then we're gonna pluck a little bit from the excess lace that we cut off, and if it is that a little bit of the hair in the front is looking a little bit out of place, like, I do that plucking to just make it look a little bit more natural. Then I spray the EBIN on my fingertip and dab it on, because you don't want to spray directly once you melt it because it is liquid, so it's gonna trick the lace and it's gonna lift. So you don't want that. You want to dab it on there afterwards and then tie it down immediately for it to get like super melted. Then I'm gonna go back in with the hot comb just to touch up the front, touch up the parting, just so my parting is visible. Like, I like when the parting is visible because it makes it look a little bit more natural, a little bit more professional looking, and the wig just comes out looking 10 times better. Now, as I said, this is a kinky straight type of look. It's supposed to mimic like a 4C hair blowout, so I don't want to get this hair silky straight. So what I'm doing is just doing a light flat ironing so that the hair isn't like super poofy, especially with how I'm about to style it. It's just gonna be light. Like, I'm not trying to do it silky straight, so my flat iron isn't all the way up. I think I put it to about 300 degrees, and then I'm going to go in with some wax stick and then just comb it out to get it as flat as I need it, but not super flat. So now once it's melted, this is what it's looking like. So I go in with a little bit of makeup, optional. So if you have a lace tint, you can just use that instead of makeup, because a lot of times, you know, you don't have to wear makeup if you're wearing your wig. But since I already had my makeup on, I needed to match. So when I take my pictures, it doesn't look all crazy and everything is uniform. And then, you know, I gotta do my little swoop to the doop, and this is my technique of doing my little swoops. I go in with a little hot flat iron, and then I curl it upwards, and on the sideburns I curl it inwards, and then I spray some of the lace spray onto my edge brush and then just swoop them babies in. And that's basically it for doing the swoop to the dupe action. I think it's so cute. I love seeing it. I love doing it. It's just a vibe once it's done right. And girl, look at this hair. Like, the melanin and this reddish brown is absolutely giving. I am so in love. Like, love the color. So I feel like I want to style this hair instead of just doing it simply, you know, just down. Like, we want to give it a little boom boom, you know, get a little extraness to it. So we're gonna do like a front swoop, half up half down type of look, something real simple. I just take an elastic band and tie it, and then I want to do, like, you know, that trending style that you'll be seeing all the girls on TikTok, on Instagram doing. But we're gonna do a lighter version to that because I ain't got no claw clip. So I just use a hairpin, and that's basically it. And then for my swoop, I like put it behind my ear, then stick it under my wig. Like, I didn't even do anything extra. I just push it underneath the back of the wig and it stayed in place. Now I'm going to take my makeup and touch up the areas, especially with the wig cap, because this lace is so freaking see-through. Like, it's super transparent. You feel me? And this is the end of the look. Girl, it is giving me life. I am loving this look. Let me know what you guys think about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all platforms. My handle is @DamnThatChev on everything: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. You can follow me there. And I'll see all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.